Minato, today you got two Japanese snacks.
Yeah. This is the corn snack. This is the another snack.
Cheese
Okay,
mochi.
Let's start.
Okay.
Open. I
Okay.
think we are going to make ice cream.
Really? These two are so popular and so yummy.
No. Wait a minute. Ooh, what is this? Wow, it's so much. Ta-da! Okay, let's try to open it. Okay.
You eat?
Good.
Good. Tongari Corn. This sharp shape is called Tongari. Wow.
Go, mommy finger, where are you? Here I am. Oh no! Big brother finger, where are you? Oh no! Brother finger, where are you? Brother finger, where? Oh no!
Uh-oh.
Oh, I put inside and eat. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
You like? Wow. What's this flavor? This is it says salty flavor. Salty flavor. You love it? Ah, so
Baby
cute.
finger, baby finger. Hey, now we start it. Open this.
This name is cheese mochi.
Yeah, cheese mochi.
Cheese mochi.
Ah!
It's mommy's favorite. It's so yummy.
Oh!
You
What
know?
is it?
How many they got inside? Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They got 6 inside.
Open!
Nice. You like? Oh, great, because you hate cheese. But this one's so nice, but this is cheese. 1.
Everyone, I hate this is good.
What? You hate cheese. But this is good. But this is the cheese flavor.
Let's put.
It's all cheese flavor. It's so soft.
How to put? One actually. Okay.
Are you making your ice cream?
Yeah. Oh,
Wow.
my ice cream.
How is it?
Good.
Good.
Tongari Corn.
Shout.